Let's cover 7 easy steps to cash in with affiliate marketing. If you are new to this channel, my name is Charles Draven. I operate mapsyndicate.com as well as many other websites and multiple channels on YouTube as well. I've been doing business for over 10 years, and today we're going to cover 7 simple steps to affiliate marketing success. So if you are into this type of stuff, go ahead and like and subscribe. So let's go ahead and get into this. I'll let you know that I am a student and affiliate of a system called Master Affiliate Profits. It's a system created by Omar, Melinda Martin, John Thornhill. I'm going to give you some of my insights about making it big in affiliate marketing, making some great additional income based on what I've learned so far. So first of all, I've tried a bunch of programs out there, and sometimes it could be tough because you'll be seeing a bunch of things that will tell you that they offer training and tools. But what I realized is that I really jived with Master Affiliate Profits. It's a system that will teach you affiliate marketing, especially for those that are in the high ticket or make money online space. And if you are new to this whole business online thing, I have to tell you that making money online, this niche is huge. And even if you just got a fraction of the pie, you could still make significant income. And the way that I realize what really works, especially for people getting started, is to use done for you ready-made materials. And this helps you eliminate the need for product creation and market research. And just to talk to you about niches and programs, if you have looked at the last even 100 plus years, even thousands of years since existence, actually, people have generally wanted to preserve their health, build great relationships with people, and then also be financially well off. And making money online is one of the great strategies to do that, especially with newer technologies with AI, like AI, to be able to enable us to do things faster than ever before. So how do you make money? Pretty much what you do is you promote an offer. And so what happens is that they offer this one link system, and it really simplifies the process of promoting and tracking the promotions you do. And the way that this works is that you promote this one single link, and then it promotes a bunch of offers. It automatically tracks your sales and commissions, and it saves you tons and tons of time. And I want to compare this to just traditional marketing. Typically, you'll have to promote individual offers. When I say offer, I mean product or service. You typically have to promote each one individually. But with this, it's an ecosystem. So you promote one link, and then that one link system, it promotes a whole bunch of other stuff. So you can make commissions ongoing for many weeks and months, which I'll talk about soon. So if you want to go ahead and, of course, reach affiliate success, I highly recommend that you use a simple promotional plan, and that can help you stay organized and consistent. Choose 2 to 3 platforms where you'll share your affiliate links. And when I say platforms, I highly recommend using third-party systems that are extremely popular for people to put their media, their assets on, such as YouTube, just like this video, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and much more. And select 2 or 3, and that is the maximum. If you are thinking that that's too much, then just focus on one. For example, YouTube is a great one. If you just want to focus on YouTube and nothing else, I think you could do pretty well just focusing on YouTube. Create a weekly schedule you can stick to, even if it's just 30 minutes a day. Focus on building relationships with potential customers instead of aggressive selling. So here you're just recommending something. Just imagine that your audience are people that you're just getting to know and that you want to help them out. And if you are creating content, like let's say YouTube, my videos typically are like, let's say 3 to 10 minutes long. So that's pretty much how long it takes to record these videos. I don't put a whole bunch of time on heavy editing. I'm not trying to show off my video editing skills. These are just PowerPoint presentations. If you don't have PowerPoint, you have Google Slides. There's also PowerPoint for free if you go to live.com. That's a Microsoft product. But so many ways to do this. And I'm pretty much just using images from, if you go to bing.com/create, it's a way to create images from Microsoft. Google has something similar. So there are so many ways to do this. Organic traffic strategies. So the whole thing here is that you could actually do well even if you're on a tight budget. You do not have to pay for advertising, which costs, I'd say, hundreds to thousands a month. So you could do this using organic methods, which you don't have to pay for. And you could use social media, content creation. I recommend videos over text, but if text is your only option, it's better than not doing anything at all. And you could build a sustainable audience, share valuable information related to the products you promote, positioning yourself as a helpful resource. So I hope that you guys are finding value in this. If you are, please like and subscribe. That will help out my channel quite a bit. Content creation for beginners. Create compelling content doesn't require expert knowledge. Share your personal experiences with a product and focus on how it solves specific problems. Use simple content formats like reviews or listicles. Authenticity is key to connecting to your audience. So this right here, it's more like a listicle, like a list article where I have each slide represents like a fragment of the overall theme. Some people might consider it also a review, but I'm not totally focusing on the product. So I can't say I'm just reviewing the product. I'm giving you a list of items that you should consider using. Email marketing for affiliates. Email marketing is a powerful tool for building relationships and promoting affiliate products. Build an email list and create a simple follow-up sequence. I'll talk to you about this after I complete this next section. Provide valuable content in your emails and naturally incorporate your affiliate recommendations. A good ratio is 80% helpful content and 20% promotion. So the thing I want to add to this is that if you decide to get a free account through my link in my description, you'll be able to get all this done for you. So that is the awesome thing. Instead of you having to create all these different emails, this team, again, if you go through my link in the description, will provide you with the ability to promote through email marketing, and it's done for you. So that's pretty awesome. Track, adjust, and grow. Tracking your results is essential for maximizing returns. You can monitor your clicks, conversions, and content performance. Use this data to adjust your approach and focus on what's working. Regular analysis can significantly enhance your results over time. So a lot of affiliate programs, not all, they allow you to put something called a tracking ID. And this might be something like intermediate. I can't say it's advanced, but if you just go beyond just the basics, you could put something called a TID or a tracking ID. And there are videos that will show you how to do that for this platform I'm going to provide to you. And the thing that's cool about that is that you could see, okay, is my traffic from my promotions from YouTube getting more results, or is my link on Facebook getting more results? Those are the kind of things that you could use to see what's doing best. And for beginners, you could do it at a platform level. If you're paying for ads, that's a different story. Some people will use it for every single page that they promote from, and that's what I do. I still do some paid ads, but if you are, again, paying, you want to use tracking IDs and use a system that allows it. Building your affiliate business. Affiliate marketing offers a path to develop financial freedom. By following these 7 steps and focusing on organic traffic strategies, you can build a sustainable business online. The Master Affiliate Profit System, created by experienced digital marketers, provides the tools and training to help you succeed. So if you are ready to take the next step, if you really want to learn what I do, how to generate income online, check out my free PDF. I'm offering that to you. Just go to the link in my description. Click on the link, the first link, and you'll be able to get my free report, and that will be a good start. And then I'll show you how to get started, how to get a free membership, how to get bonuses, a bunch of stuff that is exclusive through my link. Go ahead and check it out. Take care. This is Charles Draven from mapsyndicate.com.